This is the brand new elevator at the UPMC Shadyside Pl garage in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is originally an old Dover that got a slap-on mod by thyssenkrupp in the early 2000s, but it was in very bad shape, and now it's been completely replaced with an Otis HydroFit non-MRL. It just entered service like a month ago, I think. PA elevators. Oh yeah, lovely. Down to 2. I didn't think you meant broken like that. I thought you meant broken like partly. That's ridiculous.
It was working when I filmed it. Maybe it changes. No. The beeper even sounds sick.
It's funny. It's funny. The old elevator, the indicator didn't work, and now this one, the indicator doesn't work.
Well, the other one literally did the exact same thing, which is actually quite funny, except it was only 1 digit.
That is weird. We'll back up to 4. Yeah, there's the machine room, the existing one. And then your phone, there's PA elevators. Basic stainless steel cab. It doesn't look like a tin can cab that look like. Oh, it is a tin can cab. Oh well. Yeah, non-MRL.
4?
Beaver does sound a little sick. No, this is 3. Oh, elevator 4. It's an okay elevator besides the indicator. Your cousin, that's gonna be it.